it's MaraXo and I'm back with another video. Y'all can tell by the title, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I styled my 3-month-old knotless braids. Y'all literally been having this style up for 3 months. So don't judge me, judge your mama. Anyway, still pretty, like, duh. I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I wear my hair so that I don't get so tired of the style so quickly, okay? First, I'm gonna start off with doing my edges, and the two products that I'm gonna be using for those are, this is all I got right now, 24-hour edge tamer and some eco styling gel. So you don't want to use too much of this because then your edge is gonna be white, crusty, cracky, and cakey. This is my emergency water bottle that I'm gonna use to get the old. Do my makeup look okay? Do I look like I'm about to die? Anyway, y'all, all I got is this little mirror that I'm gonna be using to see myself. So I'm gonna stick my finger in there, and then I'm gonna just, cause my braids look a little crusty at the front, put some water on that shit. You can just knock off the little beady bug, the little ghost off. First, be gone. I'm just showing y'all how I do my edges first because that's the most important part. Are the edges. It feels too wet, so now I'm gonna add some sticky. You gotta feel the consistency. So just a little bit of sticky to get that wetness feel going. Then we're gonna go in with that beady bug on the side right there like that. I don't go nowhere without doing these edges, baby. I don't care if the world's and I need my edge control and my edge brush. That makes me. My edges are a part of my identity. Okay, so now we're going to take this and just put a little bit and then do the swoop and a dupe like that. Swoop and dupe. Put your finger down and swoop under. That's how you get that curve. Higher up the finger, that littler the curve, okay? So I like mine big, so I like to stretch her out, you know? Not too big to where she rambunctious, but where she popping though. She there. You feel me? And I don't like when it's too liney, so I like to swoop that up back there like that. I hope my terminology is making sense. So, and then since these crusty right there, I gotta put a little bit in the middle. Do a little swoop in the middle. There, right there like that. Okay. She look good to me. Look good to me. So then I do that like that. And I don't tie them down or nothing because 9 times out of 10 I'm already running late. So this is what you get for the edges. Cool. So these are the edges and they look pretty good, y'all. The edges are looking good. Now I'm ready. Now I'm just playing. Okay, now I'm gonna do the first style, which is a swoop. So you want to part the braids on the side. have for this video today. Y'all pretty much get the gist of how I've been wearing these box braids for 3 months and not getting tired of them, because I like to switch it up a little bit. So thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope that y'all enjoyed it, and make sure y'all come follow me for more tips and tricks. And it's MaraXo, your girl Boss Bestie. Make sure y'all check out my other videos. Leave me feedback if you like this video, and thank you so much. Love you so much. Bye. Mwah.